How to use CapCut template in TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the For You page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this search icon. Click on it. Now at the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in CapCut templates and search for it. With that, you're gonna find a bunch of video options that have used the CapCut templates. Now you can go through these videos and open the video that template you wanna use. After you open the video, you will get this option CapCut, try this template. Click on that option. Now click on the option of use template in CapCut. Also make sure you have already downloaded CapCut app in your device. Now again click on this option use template. With that your gallery will open up. Now you can select video or picture required for the template, and once you are done click on the option of preview. With that your video will be ready using CapCut template. Now you can export it. At the top right, you will find the option of export. Click on it. With that, you will get two options, save to device with CapCut watermark and save and share to TikTok. You can just choose any of the option of your choice. So this is how you can use CapCut template in TikTok. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.